signs that your liver is overloaded with toxins, and it makes you fatten. The liver is one of the organs of our body most important because it fulfills many functions. With the passage of time, this can be filled with toxins, but unfortunately the symptoms of liver toxicity are not always easy to identify. Many conditions associated with an intoxicated liver are problems that can arise from a series of causes which we are going to show you in this video so you do not miss them. So keep listening to know in depth about the toxicity in the liver. Symptoms of liver toxicity. 1. Emotional disorders. There is a biochemistry in the brain that causes a variety of emotional disorders when out of balance, and bad mood may or may not be a real symptom of liver toxicity. However, many people do not realize that liver functioning, or operational deficiencies, play a significant role in emotional health. The annoyances of a bad day are one thing, chronic mood swings accompanied by physical energy are another. 2. Chronic fatigue. Many people with overloaded livers wake up in the morning feeling lethargic and without energy, as if they had not slept at all. Chronic fatigue may be due to a number of sources. However, one should immediately avoid assuming liver dysfunction and acting unduly before this should be avoided. A toxic liver can be the catalyst for various forms of depression. General moodiness, feelings of despair and occasional outbursts of anger can be caused by liver toxicity. 3. Digestive disorders. Symptoms of liver toxicity may also manifest as problems with the digestive system. Swelling, gas, bloating, abdominal pain, constipation and diarrhea after a meal, along with apparent inability to lose weight, regardless of diet or exercise, are possible indicators of liver dysfunction.